Hi friends, this is Present Tech. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief unboxing and review of LED strip. This is the box pack of this product, which is transparent. From the top side, the product is easily visible, and on the back side, some specifications are also mentioned, like its working voltage, its assembly type, and it is not waterproof. It is 5 meter length and has multicolor LEDs. Its circuit diagram is also mentioned. So now let's open this product. First of all, we get a power adapter, then a controller, a remote by which we can change the color of the LEDs. Lastly, the LED strip itself. So now let's turn it on. First of all, we have to connect the LED strip with the controller. Then the controller will be connected with the power adapter. You should be careful while connecting the LED with controller. It should be connected in such a way that color should match in both the sides. Let's turn on the LED by plugging the adapter with a power source. Now you can see it is glowing. We have the remote to control the light color. You can use it to change the mode of lighting pattern. You can use this remote to turn on the device. This LED can be very useful to decorate your gaming PC and home. You can get the link to buy it online in our description section. Hope you liked the video. Please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.